Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Wells Fargo for ACH verification. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Wells Fargo for ACH verification, begin by accessing the Wells Fargo website. Log into your online banking account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services menu. From there, select Manage Accounts. Locate the ACH Services option within the menu. Click on Enroll in ACH Services if you have not yet enrolled. If you are already enrolled, select ACH Authorization for further options. Follow the prompts to verify your identity if required. You may receive a security verification code via text or email. Enter the security verification code in the provided field. Next, review the terms and conditions related to ACH services. Make sure to read through the agreements thoroughly before accepting. Once you accept the terms, you'll be directed to the ACH verification section. Here, you may need to provide your bank account details. Input your routing number and account number accurately. Double-check the information for any errors before submitting. After submitting your details, you will receive a confirmation message. This confirmation indicates that your ACH verification process is underway. You may also receive a notification via email regarding your submission status. If further verification is needed, follow any additional instructions provided. Wait for the final confirmation of your ACH verification from Wells Fargo. Once verified, you will have full access to ACH services through your account. For any issues, contact Wells Fargo customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.